I'm Ashton with First Western Title.
I'm Milo Draven, and if you don't know me, you should.
So today we are going to be talking about hashtags and how to use them for lead conversion. And I know that they've been really popular for really popular topic lately. So, but I want to talk to you more about how we use them for lead conversion.
Wait, did you catch that? Rewind. She said lead conversion, aka money in your pocket, make it rain, shopping, coffee money, Gucci. Oh, I fell on my leg, but I'm too old for all that. Anyway, carry on.
Okay. So when using Instagram, you're supposed to use a good mix of different hashtags. So they suggest that you use, and when I say they, my source usually is Social Media Examiner.
Okay.
So you're supposed to do content hashtags, industry hashtags, niche or niche? What do you say?
I say niche.
Niche hashtags and branded hashtags. So those are like the four that you're supposed to mix together.
Huh.
So when I say content hashtags, that's like what is in the post. So if you post a picture of your coffee, you'd hashtag Starbucks.
Yes.
If you do an industry hashtag, that's specific to the industry and clients you serve. So that could be
mortgage broker.
and title insurance.
Yeah.
So, and then niche hashtags, what would you post? So this is for your target audience.
Excuse me. I always hashtag I close in Gucci's. I hashtag I close deals.
So that's kind of, I when you say Gucci, I think like the luxury market. So that's what I would say your niche hashtag is.
Told you I couldn't pick up my foot, but look, I take off my shoe.
They're really cute shoes too. So your target audience. So niche hashtags could be, if you're a realtor, it could be Colleyville Homes, something like that.
Oh, that's smart.
And then branded hashtags is going to be something that is branded specifically to you. So like Team Milo.
Yes.
So.
Hashtag it. Hashtag it, make it real.
So I want to talk though about the consumers on Instagram. So 59% of the people that are on Instagram in the US are under 30. Can you believe that?
I'm too old for Instagram is what she just told me. Damn.
I was just like, I'm 32. I'm on Instagram, so but 59% of the users are on Instagram. So people under 30 typically, are they buying houses? I mean that's
what we're talking about, right? The millennials,
yeah.
They're getting ready. So anywhere between 25 to 45 really is sort of your market. Mm-hmm. And the younger they are, you're not going to catch them on Facebook, right? That's been the battle
right.
over the last few years. How do you use social media to generate leads and to target an audience? I use it because my demo is older, but my demo is also young, right? I mean, they're realtors. Realtors are everywhere, so I'm on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. But look, as she's talking, I'm listening because I need to figure out a better way to utilize Instagram. So that's why I hooked up with Ashton and our hashtag AM Tech Tip. What? Yes, we hashtagged it so that, we're providing value to each other as a team, but also providing value to you guys. So I'm shocked that 59% of the users on Instagram are young. In my head, that means probably on Snapchat, it's even younger.
It is. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Definitely.
and that's why I don't really screw around with Snapchat because there's no point for me.
Well, I wouldn't say there's no point, but
okay, look, she's gonna school me next video.
But no, so let's talk about that lead conversion. So with the niche hashtags and the branded hashtags, there comes a lot of opportunity because a lot of people aren't utilizing these. So when I was looking up, just doing some research on hashtags for our area, so Southlake, Grapevine, Colleyville, did you know that the amount of people that actually put Southlake Realtor, there's only 238 posts associated with that. There's probably more than 238 realtors in Southlake.
Yeah, which is hilarious because when I hashtag, I'll hashtag Colleyville, I hashtag Southlake, Texas, and I've noticed, to your point, that businesses in Southlake, Texas will like my posts, right? I'm starting to get sort of the corporate, the overview. So now I need to start hashtagging, and I hashtag DFW real estate, DFW mortgage. So now I'm gonna keep centralizing it because then I'm in front of a larger audience that's targeted.
Right. Well, and also what I've noticed.
I'm learning.
with that under 30 demographic, they're using Instagram as almost like a search engine. So like if I were looking for food in South Lake, I would do like South Lake Foodie and find all the different restaurants in South Lake. So people are using this more as a search tool. So if they're searching Grapevine homes for sale and let's see, that only had 9 posts come up. If you're one of those 9 posts for Grapevine homes for sale, most likely they're going to be looking at your page.
Yeah, they're going to find you.
Mm-hmm. So that's really my tip is if you're going to be doing hashtags, obviously use some of the bigger ones that have more of a following behind them because you're going to get more of that branding.
Like hashtag Team Milo so that they can find me too so I can help your clients close loans. Because that's what I do, hashtag close loans.
Yes. And
look, shameless plug. Shameless plug.
So if you're gonna be doing that, definitely combine those so that you're getting, hashtag real estate, you're getting all those people that are looking for real estate and inspirational ideas and getting that branding, but you're also getting that really specific target audience.
Yes, target, look. It's like shooting ducks in a pond, but don't do that, it's illegal.
So this is the point of our whole thing is just to bring you guys value, and we want to constantly do that. So if there's any topics that we can cover that y'all are really curious about or anything like that, please let us know.
Yes, let us know because we're here for you.
I love this guy. How can you not love this guy?
It's Monday morning. Normally I go live at 6:30 our time, so I'm going to go ahead and say this like I do on my lives. It's Monday. It's the beginning of the week. Go out there and kick some butt. You just learned something valuable to help you make some money. Go out there and do it. Don't be afraid to take a step out of your comfort zone and utilize a tool that is free. Wait, what? Free, right. Which means the ROI is ginormous. If you converted one lead or got one lead from a free tool, you just made pure profit.
Yes, and I just want to throw out this just a little
Throw it. Wind it up, honey. I'm ready.
So if you're not using Instagram stories, there's a really fun feature you can use on there called the poll feature. Have you used the poll feature where you poll people on...
Child, I thought you were talking about a poll. I was like, she's trying to get in my personal business here.
I know, I realized after that came out of my mouth, it probably wasn't the best thing to say.
No, I'm not a poll dancer.
You can poll people to find out if they are in their dream home or if they're still looking for their dream home.
Shut your face. I had no idea.
And so then if you do that, then whoever comments it, you can see who actually votes. And then you can actually direct message that person and say, hey, I am a realtor here in South Lake. I'd love to help you find your dream home. So.
She just blew my mind. Listen, if you look at my Instagram, my story has my shoes. It really does.
Mine has selfies.
It has all of the Gucci's that I close in, but it also draws people in, right? In my head, it's my way of showing that I'm a closer, adding fun to it, making things that are typically boring a little more interesting. But I'm about to start polling folks.
All right, guys. Well, that is our AM Tech tips. So.
I feel like you got a lot of AM Tech tips, multiple tips today, because she's amazing.
Well,
and this is Ashton White of what? Where?
First Western Title in Colleyville and South Lake.
She's kind of a big deal. That's why I hang out with her. And clearly, you know how I am on Milo Draven. Have a great week, everybody.
Bye, guys.